Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a forward edge key fob. To begin, you will need two existing, already programmed smart keys for your vehicle. It is crucial that all your vehicle doors are securely closed throughout the entire process to ensure success. Also, have your new, unprogrammed smart key readily accessible and prepared. This specific method is designed for forward edge vehicles equipped with push-button start and smart keys. First, locate the designated pocket inside your vehicle's center console and carefully place the new, unprogrammed smart key within it. Next, you will press the driver or passenger power door unlock button 3 consecutive times. Immediately following this, press and release your brake pedal 1 single time. Performing these precise steps initiates the crucial programming sequence for your vehicle's keyless entry system. Following the brake pedal action, proceed to press the driver or passenger power door lock button 3 distinct times. Then, press and release the brake pedal 1 more time. At this point, you should clearly observe the indicator on your vehicle's start/stop button begin to flash rapidly. This distinct flashing confirms that your forward edge has successfully entered the key fob programming mode, ready for the next step. Once the start/stop button indicator flashes, you have exactly 1 minute to press the start/stop button. After completing this, carefully remove the newly programmed smart key from the center console pocket. To successfully exit the programming mode, simply press either the unlock or lock control on your new smart key. Finally, thoroughly test all functions to ensure your new key fob operates correctly and reliably with your forward edge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.